I ain't got any friends left to talk to. Got my little groove here. You okay, Sean?
Oh, that was graceful.
Here you go, Michael. Shot, Sean. I'm running and Michael's walking and he's going faster than me. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Come on. Whoa. Okay. Getting lower. There you go. Way to go, Huddy.
Hell yeah.
There you go, H. Knuckling it. There you go, Shawnee. Paid $50 for this, Michael. Crazy, right? Get it, Sean. Get it, Sean. Get it, baby. Get it. Whoa. I'm really worried about twisting my ankle.
Yeah, it's not a rut.
Stupid farm. Yeah,
That's it. You're done. I need you to stop me. You're not Michelle to me. I can't believe you let your father talk. Damn it, I didn't even get the spot.
It's a boy! Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Show off.
Next time I'm bringing gloves.
Alright.
That's what you said last time.
I know.
Nice catch, Johnny. It's that first step of the doozy. Last step's a doozy. It's like Frogger.
It is. Caught the frog hop, Willie. The shoes are all wet.
Sean's rocking the boat, man. Stop rocking the boat, Sean.
Go. There you go.
Good job. It's water from a deep river right here.
That was cold. Oh, shit. It's fucking cold.
You went in the...
Come on, Andy. Hurry up.
That was not heated.
No. Can't hold it.
Hold this now.
Do you want me to film you?
Sure.
There you go, Willie.
Hold it. Which way is it? Hold it. No, which way is it?
Let it go, Michael. Let it go, Sean.
Take your right leg over there. Right leg over.
The transition sucks.
There you go. There you go. That's it. Hey, Chef.
Hey, hey, is that Sean? Oh, no. Oh, shit. What the heck? Did you go up that?
Huh?
Did you go up that?
Yeah.
And over?
Yeah.
It's no big deal, right? I got no oof. There ain't no way. There ain't no way. Good job, Michael. Someone's gonna lose an eye. Oh, to be young. Oh, to be young.
Who needs some water?
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Later, suckers. Oh, sorry, man.
There you go. That's it.
I thought you were gonna lose it on the second one.
That's a long jump. That's like an 8-foot jump for her.
There you go. 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 Come over this way. That way you can push. There you go. Use the post. I got you. Go.
Where you going, Lee?
The post, and now you hold your foot.
That's Sean, Heather, not me.
There you go.
Leg stuck. Tell him. You go, Michael. There you go. Almost there. Good job. It's floating. It's floating. It's okay. Right there, Hud. Oh shit. Oh man. That's it. It's gonna be top.
Come over here slower.
Oh, there's more water.
Yeah, baby.
Go, baby. Go for it, ladies.
Oh!
Good luck, guys. I love you guys. You guys got it. You gotta help us. Okay.
Go.
Who's gonna help?
Go there. Take a break. Take a break. Go there. Go. 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 Oh, there's Rich. There's Rich in there. Ready?
Come on, Will.
Catch the leg.
Come on, Will. We're not like. There you go. There you go.
Go, Michael.
Gotta get a little higher, hon. One more, you got it.
Put that leg up. There you go.
There you go.
All right.
Good job, Hud. There you go, Hud. Here you go, Shawnee. No, we're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting.
All right. I'll be right behind you. Go.
No, we're going with you.
I can't spin my feet around.
Well, scoot your feet around. There we go. Crouch shot. Move over, Sean.
All right. Ready? All right, go.
Ready? There we go. Oh, shit. Woo! Michael wins. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win, Eileen. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Thank you. Ooh.
Do it.
What you guys doing? What you guys doing?
42, I did 46.
Very good, man. Very good.